Everybody, it's Mike, the ham fun guy. We're going to do a little something. I showed you the new crimper I got my hands on and a new wire stripper I got my hands on. Now I got a piece of LMR 400. We're going to put an end on it. You ready to watch? Here's how it works. But first, we lower the blade so that's the same thickness as the jacket of the LMR 400, which you can see right there. There you go. So we put this on here like this, and we give it a little twist. And there we go. We got it trimmed. Didn't even nick the braid. Next, we slip on the shrink tubing and the barrel that's going to get crimped around the LMR 400. And now we're going to trim this so that just the center core comes out the tip here. And there's that. Trim back nice. Now we take the PL-259 and we slide it over that. Try to get it pushed down all the way. First, we got to make sure the center is all done nice. And there we go. We got the end on. Now we got to solder the center pin. Now the end is crimped on. You can see the crimp right there. Got the right size crimping tool. Now we're going to hit this with some heat and shrink it, and it should be good. There you go. Thank you, Chuck from ABR Industries, for turning me on to this crimper and this wire stripper. You made my day. Thanks a lot. Makes it so easy.